Hey guys, Craig and Jenny here with your 1-minute wellness tip for today. And today's tip is on making the perfect smoothie in the morning.
That's right. So what you need is your blender first of all, and then second of all, you need some type of nut milk. If you're doing it for yourself, just use 1 cup. If you've got another person, use 2 cups. And then the other base is going to be spinach. It has no taste, but it has a ton of nutrients, and you just keep on piling it in there to the top because it's going to add so much to what you're doing. And then is going to be a protein powder. We use a vegan protein powder, and we have chocolate and vanilla. From there, it's going to be other fruits and other vegetables. I mean, best thing to do is get organic if you can. And the reason why we use this, the frozen ones, is because it makes it nice and cold. Then you can also add in things like carrots to sweeten it up a little different way. Add some other vegetables to it, some chia seeds, a little bit of ginger, and those are the things that you can make the perfect smoothie with. So enjoy.